How to fix Spotify skipping songs automatically. Let's get started. Check your internet first. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can cause Spotify to skip. Try switching to mobile data or reconnecting. Next, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Spotify and launch it. Click on Upload. This will clear cache for the Spotify app. Then click on Reinstall. Next up, launch your Spotify app. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now navigate to the option Data Saving and Offline. Disable for the option Data Saver. Then scroll down and click on the option Clear for Clear Cache. Confirm it. Now head back. Navigate to the option Media Quality. Make sure for all these options you have set it to automatic or high. Next, make sure you are not logged in on too many devices. To check that, head back, click on Account option. You can log out of other devices. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Spotify from your device and reinstall it. So close this, press and hold on the Spotify app, click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Spotify skipping songs automatically. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.